For me, it's always very difficult because 2 minutes, 2 minutes exactly before the live, my mind goes blind completely every time. It never gets easier. It has idiosyncrasies, but it's not bad if you know how you need to use it. I cannot stand when someone is get SDI that it is professional. If my um, context of use case do not impact the fact that I'm using HDMI everywhere and I'm declaring I'm using back and forth 8 long cables HDMI in 4K. Now the signal is in 1080p, but I usually use 4K inside. 15 meters back and forward, all of them 8K, but the cable needs to be 8K at the minimum, or display port cable 8 and 10K. And it supports 10-bit 4K 422 subsampling. It is perfect